Lectra Fashion PLM Online Training. Introduction to Lectra Fashion PLM. Lectra Fashion PLM, Product Life Cycle Management, is a comprehensive solution designed specifically for the fashion, apparel, and textile industries. It helps companies manage every aspect of their product life cycle, from initial design and development through production and delivery. The platform is built to streamline operations, enhance collaboration, and improve time to market by centralizing data, automating workflows, and providing real-time visibility into the product development process. Key features of Lectra Fashion PLM. Design and development integration. Facilitates seamless collaboration between designers, developers, and production teams. Integrates with CAD tools, enabling easy transfer of design data and specifications. Material and product management. Centralizes all information related to materials, components, and finished products. Ensures that all teams have access to the latest material libraries and product specifications. Workflow automation. Automates routine tasks and approvals, reducing the time and effort required to move products through the development cycle. Supports custom workflows that align with the company's specific processes. Collaboration tools. Provides tools for real-time collaboration between teams, both internally and with external partners and suppliers. Helps to manage communication, feedback, and changes throughout the product life cycle. Quality management. Integrates quality control processes, ensuring that products meet required standards before moving to the next stage. Helps in tracking issues and managing corrective actions. Supply chain integration. Connects with suppliers and manufacturers, enabling better coordination and visibility throughout the supply chain. Supports efficient order management and production tracking. Analytics and reporting. Offers powerful analytics and reporting tools to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. Provides insights into cost, time, and resource usage, helping companies optimize their operations. Benefits of using Lectra Fashion PLM. Improve time to market. By streamlining workflows and enhancing collaboration, Lectra Fashion PLM helps companies bring products to market faster. Increased efficiency, automation of routine tasks and centralized data management reduces errors and duplication of efforts. Enhanced collaboration, facilitates better communication and collaboration across all teams involved in the product life cycle. Better quality control. Integrated quality management processes help ensure that products meet required standards before reaching the market. Cost savings. Optimizing processes and improving resource management can lead to significant cost reductions. Core features of Lectra Fashion PLM. Lectra Fashion PLM, Product Life Cycle Management, is a comprehensive solution designed specifically for the fashion and apparel industry. It integrates various processes and teams, allowing for efficient management of product development from concept to production. Here are the core features of Lectra Fashion PLM. 1. Product Data Management, PDM. Centralized Data Repository. All product-related data, such as designs, specifications, and materials, are stored in a single, accessible location. Version control tracks changes and updates to product data, ensuring that all team members are working with the latest information. Material and color libraries stores and manages materials, trims, and color palettes for easy reference and consistency across products. 2. Collaborative design and development. Design integration, seamless integration with design tools, example Adobe Illustrator, to allow designers to work within their preferred environments while staying connected to the PLM system. Collaboration tools facilitates communication and collaboration between teams, including designers, developers, and suppliers, through shared workspaces and project management features. 3. Workflow and process management. Task management assigns tasks, tracks progress, and manages deadlines across different stages of the product life cycle. Approval workflows, customizable workflows to manage approvals at various stages, such as design, materials, and production. Critical path management helps teams stay on track by highlighting key milestones and critical deadlines in the product development process. 4. Costing and sourcing. Cost estimation provides tools for calculating the cost of materials, labor, and production, allowing for accurate budgeting and pricing. Supplier management manages relationships with suppliers, including tracking orders, deliveries, and supplier performance. Sourcing optimization helps identify the best sourcing options based on cost, quality, and delivery timelines. 5. Product development and sampling. Prototyping and sampling management manages the development of prototypes and samples, including feedback loops and revisions. Tech pack management creates and manages technical specifications, tech packs, for products, including measurements, construction details, and materials. 3D visualization supports 3D design and visualization, allowing teams to create and review virtual samples before physical production. 6. Time and action calendar. Project timelines provides a detailed calendar view of all activities, deadlines, and milestones in the product development process. Automated reminders sends notifications and reminders for upcoming tasks and deadlines, helping teams stay on schedule. 7. Compliance and sustainability. Regulatory compliance ensures products meet industry regulations and standards, including safety, labeling, and environmental requirements. Sustainability tracking tracks the use of sustainable materials and processes, helping companies meet their sustainability goals. 8. Reporting and analytics. Real-time dashboards provides real-time visibility into key metrics, such as project status, costs, and time to market. Customizable reports allows users to generate custom reports on various aspects of the product life cycle, including design iterations, production timelines, and supplier performance. Trend analysis analyzes historical data to identify trends and inform future product development strategies. 9. Integration with ERP and other systems. ERP integration seamlessly integrates with enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems to ensure data consistency across all business functions. API and third-party integrations supports integration with other business systems such as CAD software, e-commerce platforms, and supply chain management tools. Collaboration and communication with Lectra Fashion PLM. Lectra Fashion PLM, Product Life Cycle Management, is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline and optimize the entire fashion product development process. When it comes to collaboration and communication, Lectra Fashion PLM offers several key features to enhance teamwork and ensure that all stakeholders are aligned throughout the product life cycle. 1. Centralized data repository. Single source of truth. Lectra Fashion PLM provides a centralized repository where all product-related data is stored. This ensures that everyone, from designers to suppliers, works with the same up-to-date information, reducing miscommunication and errors. Real-time updates. Changes made to product details, designs, or specifications are instantly updated and visible to all relevant team members, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. 2. Integrated communication tools. Messaging and commenting. Team members can leave comments, ask questions, or provide feedback directly within the PLM system. This keeps all communication contextually linked to specific products, designs, or tasks. Task management and alerts. Lectra Fashion PLM includes task assignment and tracking features, with automated alerts and notifications to keep team members informed of deadlines and updates. 3. Collaboration across departments. Cross-functional collaboration. The platform allows for seamless collaboration between different departments, such as design, development, production, and marketing. This helps to break down silos and encourages a more integrated approach to product development. Supplier and partner collaboration. Lectra Fashion PLM facilitates communication with external partners and suppliers, enabling them to access relevant product information and collaborate effectively on materials, components, and production schedules. 4. Visual collaboration. Digital mock-ups and prototypes. Teams can share and review digital prototypes and mock-ups within the PLM system, allowing for collaborative design reviews and quicker decision-making. Annotation tools. Designers and other stakeholders can annotate designs, providing visual feedback that can be easily understood and acted upon. 5. Version control and change management. Tracking changes. Lectra Fashion PLM tracks all changes made to product data, designs, and specifications, making it easy to see what has been modified, by whom, and why. This transparency reduces the risk of miscommunication and ensures that all team members are aware of the latest developments. Approval workflows. The system supports configurable approval workflows, ensuring that all necessary approvals are obtained before a product moves to the next stage of development. 6. Global collaboration. Time zone management. For global teams, Lectra Fashion PLM supports time zone management, ensuring that communication and collaboration can occur smoothly across different regions. Language support. The platform may also offer multilanguage support, making it easier for international teams to work together. 7. Mobile access. Remote collaboration. Lectra Fashion PLM can be accessed via mobile devices, allowing team members to collaborate and communicate on the go. This flexibility is particularly useful for teams working in different locations or traveling frequently. Integration capabilities of Lectra Fashion PLM. Lectra Fashion PLM, Product Life Cycle Management, offers extensive integration capabilities that enhance collaboration and efficiency across the fashion and apparel industry's product development process. Here are some key integration features. ERP integration. Lectra Fashion PLM can be integrated with various ERP systems to streamline data flow between design, production, and business management. This ensures accurate and real-time data exchange, reducing errors and improving decision-making. CAD system integration. The platform supports integration with computer-aided design, CAD, systems, allowing seamless transfer of design files and specifications. This integration enables designers and product developers to work within a unified environment, enhancing collaboration and reducing time to market. Supply Chain Management (SCM) integration. Integration with SCM systems allows for better coordination between different stages of the supply chain, from material sourcing to manufacturing and logistics. This ensures that the product life cycle is managed efficiently, with real-time visibility into the status of orders, inventory, and production. Retail Management System integration. Integrating Lectra Fashion PLM with retail management systems helps align product development with retail strategies. This integration ensures that product launches are synchronized with retail activities, leading to better inventory management and improved sales performance. 3D Virtual Prototyping integration. The platform can integrate with 3D virtual prototyping tools, enabling designers to create and visualize garments in a virtual environment. This reduces the need for physical samples, speeding up the design process and reducing costs. PDM and PLM system integration. Lectra Fashion PLM can be integrated with other product data management, PDM, and PLM systems to facilitate data exchange and collaboration across different departments and organizations. This is particularly useful for companies that operate across multiple locations or have a diverse product range. BOM, Bill of Materials, integration. Integration with BOM systems ensures that all product-related data, such as materials, components, and costs, are accurately managed and shared across departments. This integration helps in maintaining consistency and accuracy in product development. Cloud and API integration. Lectra Fashion PLM offers cloud-based integration and APIs that allow for the seamless exchange of data between different systems, applications, and platforms. This flexibility enables companies to customize their integration strategies according to their specific needs. Cost-benefit analysis of Lectra Fashion PLM. Conducting a cost-benefit analysis for Lectra Fashion PLM, product life cycle management, involves evaluating the expenses associated with implementing and maintaining the system against the benefits it provides. This process helps in determining whether the investment in Lectra Fashion PLM is worthwhile for an organization in the fashion industry. Cost analysis. Initial costs. Software licensing. The initial cost of purchasing the Lectra Fashion PLM software, which can vary based on the size of the organization and the specific modules required. Hardware and infrastructure. Investment in necessary hardware, servers, and networking infrastructure to support the PLM system. Implementation and integration. Costs associated with setting up the system, integrating it with existing ERP, CRM, or other software systems, and configuring it to meet the organization's specific needs. Customization. Expenses related to customizing the PLM system to match the unique processes and workflows of the organization. Ongoing costs. Maintenance and support. Regular maintenance fees, including software updates, patches, and technical support. Training. Costs for training employees to effectively use the system, which may involve both initial training sessions and ongoing education. Subscription fees. If the PLM is offered as a SaaS, software as a service, there will be recurring subscription fees. Operational costs. Continuous operational costs including IT staff for management and data storage expenses. Opportunity costs. Transition time. The time taken for the organization to transition to the new system may lead to temporary disruptions or reduced productivity. Change management. Costs associated with managing the change within the organization, including resistance to new technology and process changes. Benefit analysis. Increased efficiency. Streamlined processes. Lectra Fashion PLM centralizes and streamlines product development processes, reducing the time to market. Enhanced collaboration. Improved collaboration across departments, example design, manufacturing, and marketing, leading to better alignment and faster decision-making. Error reduction. By automating and standardizing processes, the PLM system reduces manual errors, which can lead to cost savings. Cost savings. Reduced material costs. Improved management of materials and inventory, leading to reduced waste and more accurate purchasing decisions. Lower operational costs. Automation of routine tasks reduces the need for manual labor, cutting operational expenses. Improved supply chain management. Better forecasting and planning capabilities help optimize the supply chain, reducing costs related to excess inventory and rush orders. Improved product quality. Quality control. Enhanced tracking and quality control throughout the product life cycle ensure higher quality products, leading to increased customer satisfaction and reduced returns. Innovation and creativity. With better data management and collaboration tools, designers have more time to focus on creativity, leading to innovative products. Scalability and flexibility. Adaptability. Lectra Fashion PLM can adapt to changing business needs and scale as the company grows, providing long-term value. Enhancing sustainability with Lectra Fashion PLM. Enhancing sustainability within the fashion industry is increasingly important, and leveraging technology like Lectra Fashion PLM, product life cycle management, can play a crucial role. Here's how Lectra Fashion PLM can help improve sustainability. 1. Material sourcing and management. Eco-friendly materials. Lectra Fashion PLM enables brands to easily source and manage sustainable materials. By integrating material libraries that include eco-friendly options, companies can make informed decisions that reduce environmental impact. Supplier transparency. The platform provides visibility into the supply chain, ensuring that materials are sourced from suppliers who adhere to sustainable practices. 2. Waste reduction. Optimized pattern cutting. Lectra's advanced pattern making tools help minimize fabric waste by optimizing cutting layouts. This reduces the amount of scrap fabric, which often ends up in landfills. Digital prototyping. By using virtual sampling and 3D prototyping, brands can reduce the need for physical samples, thus cutting down on material waste and transportation emissions. 3. Life cycle assessment. Product development insights. Lectra Fashion PLM tracks the entire life cycle of a product, allowing brands to assess the environmental impact at each stage, from design to disposal. This data can be used to make more sustainable decisions in future product lines. End-of-life management. The system can help in planning for recycling or repurposing products, reducing the environmental impact of discarded garments. 4. Efficient production planning. Demand forecasting. By leveraging data analytics, Lectra Fashion PLM helps brands accurately forecast demand, leading to more efficient production runs. This reduces overproduction, which is a significant contributor to waste in the fashion industry. Inventory management. The platform's integrated approach to inventory management ensures that production aligns closely with actual sales, minimizing excess stock and the associated waste. 5. Collaboration and compliance. Sustainable collaboration. Lectra Fashion PLM fosters collaboration between designers, suppliers, and manufacturers to ensure that sustainability is a core focus throughout the product development process. Regulatory compliance. The platform helps brands stay compliant with environmental regulations by tracking and documenting sustainability metrics and ensuring that products meet the necessary standards. 6. Consumer engagement. Transparency and traceability. Brands can use Lectra Fashion PLM to provide consumers with transparent information about the sustainability of their products, enhancing brand reputation and customer loyalty. Sustainable branding. The insights gained from the platform can be used to market products as sustainable, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Case studies. Successful implementations of Lectra Fashion PLM. Lectra Fashion PLM, Product Life Cycle Management, is widely used in the fashion industry to streamline product development processes, improve collaboration, and enhance overall efficiency. Here are a few case studies that highlight successful implementations of Lectra Fashion PLM. 1. Benetton Group. Overview. Benetton Group, a global fashion retailer, faced challenges in managing a vast array of products across multiple collections and seasons. They needed a solution to unify their processes and improve collaboration among their teams. Implementation. Benetton implemented Lectra Fashion PLM to centralize their product data and streamline workflows. The solution enabled better coordination between design, development, and production teams. Results. The implementation led to a 30% reduction in time to market, improved product quality, and enhanced collaboration across the organization. Benetton was also able to better manage their global supply chain. 2. Hugo Boss. Overview. Hugo Boss, a luxury fashion brand, required a robust PLM solution to manage its complex product development process and ensure consistency across its global operations. Implementation. Hugo Boss chose Lectra Fashion PLM to standardize its processes, improve data accuracy, and foster collaboration among its international teams. The platform was integrated with their existing ERP systems for seamless operations. Results: Hugo Boss achieved a significant reduction in product development time, enhanced data accuracy, and improved collaboration between teams in different regions. The brand also saw an increase in overall efficiency and productivity. 3. Guess. Overview: Guess, a leading fashion retailer, needed to enhance its product development process to keep up with fast fashion trends and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Implementation: Guess implemented Lectra Fashion PLM to streamline its design, development, and production processes. The platform allowed Guess to manage product data more efficiently and collaborate more effectively with suppliers. Results: The implementation led to a 20% reduction in product development cycle time, improved communication with suppliers, and better management of product data. Guess was able to respond more quickly to market demands and maintain its competitive position. 4. Patagonia. Overview: Patagonia, an outdoor clothing brand known for its commitment to sustainability, sought to improve its product development process while ensuring adherence to its environmental standards. Implementation: Patagonia implemented Lectra Fashion PLM to centralize its product information and streamline collaboration across its design and development teams. The solution was customized to support Patagonia's sustainability goals. Results: Patagonia experienced improved product quality, a more efficient development process, and better alignment with its sustainability objectives. The brand also achieved greater transparency in its supply chain, contributing to its environmental initiatives. 5. Adidas. Overview: Adidas, a global sportswear brand, faced challenges in managing the complexity of its product lines and ensuring consistency across different regions. Implementation: Adidas implemented Lectra Fashion PLM to standardize its product development processes and improve collaboration between design, development, and production teams worldwide. Results: The implementation led to a more efficient product development process, reduced time to market, and enhanced collaboration across global teams. Adidas also benefited from improved data accuracy and consistency across its product lines. Overcoming adoption challenges in Lectra Fashion PLM. Overcoming adoption challenges in Lectra Fashion PLM, product life cycle management, involves addressing various factors that can hinder successful implementation and use within a fashion company. Here are some strategies to help overcome these challenges. 1. Change management and user training. Comprehensive training programs offer extensive training sessions for all levels of users to ensure they understand how to use the system effectively. Include hands-on practice and real-world scenarios. Gradual implementation. Roll out the PLM in phases rather than all at once, allowing users to adapt gradually and reducing the risk of overwhelming them. Ongoing support. Provide continuous support through help desks, online resources, and refresher courses to assist users as they encounter issues or new features. 2. Stakeholder buy-in and engagement. Involve key stakeholders early, engage decision-makers, designers, production teams, and IT staff early in the process to ensure their needs are met and they feel ownership of the system. Communicate benefits clearly, clearly articulate the benefits of the PLM system, such as improved collaboration, faster time to market, and better product quality, to gain buy-in from all stakeholders. 3. Customization and flexibility. Tailor the system to your needs. Customize Lectra Fashion PLM to fit your company's specific processes and workflows, ensuring it integrates smoothly with existing systems. Scalability. Ensure the PLM system is scalable to grow with your company, accommodating new products, lines, and market expansions without significant disruption. 4. Data migration and integration. Careful planning for data migration. Develop a detailed plan for migrating existing data into the PLM system, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Seamless integration with other systems. Ensure Lectra Fashion PLM integrates seamlessly with other systems, example ERP, CAD, to avoid data silos and ensure a smooth flow of information across departments. 5. Cultural adaptation. Align with company culture. Ensure that the adoption of the PLM system aligns with the company's culture, emphasizing collaboration, innovation, and efficiency. Promote a collaborative environment. Encourage a culture of collaboration where teams are willing to share data and insights across departments using the PLM system. 6. Performance monitoring and continuous improvement. Regular performance reviews. Monitor the system's performance regularly to identify areas for improvement and ensure it meets the company's evolving needs. Feedback loops. Establish feedback mechanisms where users can report issues or suggest improvements, allowing for continuous enhancement of the PLM system. 7. Leadership and vision. Strong leadership support. Ensure that top management is committed to the PLM implementation, providing the necessary resources and support for the initiative. Clear vision and roadmap. Develop a clear vision and roadmap for the PLM implementation, outlining goals, milestones, and success metrics. Why choose ProExcellency for Lectra Fashion PLM online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Lectra Fashion PLM online training offers several advantages, especially if you are looking to enhance your skills in fashion product life cycle management. Here's why ProExcellency could be a good choice. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically offers training led by experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of Lectra Fashion PLM. This ensures that you are learning from experts with practical industry experience. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program usually covers all aspects of Lectra Fashion PLM, including product development, line planning, sourcing, and production. This comprehensive approach ensures that you get a well-rounded understanding of the software. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers flexible learning schedules, which is ideal for working professionals or students. You can learn at your own pace and convenience, making it easier to balance your studies with other commitments. Hands-on practice. The training often includes practical, hands-on exercises that simulate real-world scenarios. This practical approach helps reinforce learning and ensures that you can apply your skills in a professional setting. Certification. Upon completion of the course, ProExcellency typically provides a certification that can add value to your resume and enhance your career prospects in the fashion industry. Support and resources. ProExcellency generally offers ongoing support, including access to resources, study materials, and post-training assistance. This ensures that you have the necessary tools to succeed even after the training is complete. Positive reviews. Many learners have provided positive feedback about Pro Excellency's training programs, highlighting the quality of instruction and the relevance of the course content. Industry relevance. The training is designed to align with the latest trends and requirements of the fashion industry, ensuring that your skills remain up to date and relevant. Thank you.